Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: your Google account, the class calendar entry, and the Meet link so students can join. Once done, run a quick AV and connection check. A wired connection or 5 GHz Wi-Fi reduces drops. Then open Google Meet and choose New Meeting or Join with Code to create your room. Make sure to enable host controls and waiting room options, because that prevents interruptions and gives you time to greet students before admitting them. Once the meeting is live, focus on the tools that shape your lesson. Share your screen carefully, choose a browser tab for video with audio or a window for slides. Use live captions and record when you want a replay. Both help accessibility and review. If you need group work, create breakout rooms and assign co-hosts to supervise. Make sure to manage participants. Mute all on entry, pin the current presenter, and give trusted assistants co-host rights so the session runs smoothly. To finish, stop the recording and end your screen share, then post links and resources in chat so students have everything. Once done, export attendance or meeting recordings to Google Drive and set sharing permissions for the class. If something breaks, audio, video, or connection, try refreshing the tab, rejoining the meeting, or switching to your phone. These quick swaps often restore functionality. If delays persist, tell students the workaround and reschedule, or continue via chat, so learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.